Who loves some good chicken wings? I know I do. I mean, smoked, deep fried, even on the Blackstone Griddle. Honestly, on top of that Blackstone Griddle is probably my favorite way to do chicken wings. Super simple, super easy. Don't take a whole lot to put it together and make a delicious chicken wing. And there's so many varieties of chicken wings, but today we're gonna do these buttery, delicious lemon pepper chicken wings right on top of that Blackstone Griddle. And yes, it's really easy to do. As you see, very few ingredients to do something like this. Don't take a whole lot to put this together. Really, really simple. So now is a good time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. We have a little bit of prep to do to get these chicken wings ready. Not a whole lot, so while that griddle heats up, let's get that done. All right, we're gonna get to the chicken wings in just a minute and start prepping those. But right now, I wanna chop up some parsley. So let me turn around here, get my cutting board, and we're just gonna use this as a garnish on these wings. Because, you know, you got to make them pretty. At the end of the day, pretty food tastes better. So let's just give this flat leaf Italian parsley a good chop. So there we go. Good enough, just a rough chop. Grab you up a little dish and put it in there. Now, honestly, that's probably more parsley than we're going to need, but that's okay. And so now we can get started on them wings. What I'm gonna do is just lay out some paper towels right here. I'm gonna grab up these wings over here and just dump them out. Now, if you notice, I don't have a whole lot of wings. Honestly, it's enough for me, but I'm sure there'll be more people eating. Grab you some more paper towels and let's just pat all these dry. You wanna get all these wings good and dry because you don't want that moisture from the water on there. Because we're gonna add a different kind of moisture here in just a little bit. So as you dry them off and get them dried up, put them back in that bowl. This bowl here. Had it hidden from you, didn't I? Uh-oh. Yeah, just, they don't have to be like, you know, super, super dry. And there we go. Chicken wings are now dry, but we're not done with them. You need cornstarch. If you want a good crispy chicken wing, you need to add cornstarch to them. Notice I got one clean hand now and one dirty hand. That's the best way to do it. And we just want to give a light coating of cornstarch on these wings. Nothing too thick. It's going to give that skin a good, crispy, crispy texture. Just like that there, y'all. These wings are now ready. So let's see. One more thing to do. One more thing. We have to make a lemon pepper sauce, I guess you'd say. So I'm gonna grab up my basting pot here. We're gonna add in I don't know, about 3/4 stick of butter. It's just what I had in the refrigerator. If you want to add a whole stick, that's fine. And of course, some lemon pepper. Got to have some lemon pepper. And of course, I didn't open it. There we go. Got it open now. So now I'm just going to dump some in here with this butter. And then we're going to put that on the grill also as we get to cooking them chicken wings. But speaking of that griddle, let's go check on it. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries down on this griddle. And I'm going to go ahead and start off by melting down this butter and this lemon pepper sauce. Now, I've showed you this basting pot before, and I just absolutely love it. I mean, look at there. Now I can melt down that buttery lemon pepper sauce right there. It's going to be so good. And got plenty of room to do my cooking. And speaking of cooking, let's get these chicken wings started. And I'm not going to throw down oil to cook them in. I'm going to throw down some bacon up. Because, well, you know, anything in bacon grease has got to be butter. Let's try some of that right there. Spread it on out. Get that goodness all over this griddle. Turn around here. Grab up these beautiful chicken wings. And let's just ease them on the griddle here. And just get them coated in that beautiful bacon grease. Yes, sir. This is going to be some good eating, y'all. Now what we do is you just spread these out and just kind of just let them fry right there for just a little bit. Not a whole lot to it, but just that quick. You can see that butter is starting to melt down in this pot right here, making that good lemon pepper sauce. But these wings over here, y'all, cooking in that bacon grease, Yes, sir. This is going to be some good eating right here. Now, something else I want to mention. The griddle's not completely level, kind of like mine's not. Uh, Mine tends to run the oil to the back. You can always just take your spatula and bring the oil back around whatever you're cooking. Just like that there. Because let's be honest, not every griddle is always level. And so now that these have been cooking for just a little bit, let's just come in here and just roll them around, move them around a little bit. They're starting to get a little crust to them, a little golden crust. And that's what you want. You don't want to burn on any sides. We'll just keep on flipping these around and just cooking on all sides, well, until they're done. But now keep in mind, the flats will cook quicker than the drums, so you may have to move them over to a cooler part of the griddle to finish cooking while the flats finish their cooking. But for right now, all of them can just stay together. But man, that crust is looking good, y'all. It's been about 5 more minutes or so. Let's tempt some of these flats and, well, some of the drums and just see where they're at. Let's see here. 165 is safe eating for chicken. So they're getting close. As you see, that's about 160 right there. Yeah, same there. So what we're gonna do is, to finish up these wings, let's move our flats over here to the edge. A little cooler area of the griddle. Let them finish up. Because these drums, well, they still have a little bit to go. Let's temp a couple of them just to see, out of curiosity, where they're at. I mean, I know they're not done, but can't hurt to find out. Let's see, 132. Oh, they're a lot closer than I expected them to be. They really are. 150, 163. That one there is temp and done. Yeah, they're right. Well, that's 160, 157. Coming down a little bit. So, yeah. And also, you want to temp them in a couple different places because one part of the chicken might be done, another part might not be. So, temp always in a couple different places of the chicken wing or pieces of chicken or whatever you may be cooking to make sure it's done throughout. But for right now, we'll just keep on flipping this chicken. There's some flipping chicken. And while they finish up, I just want to show you this golden crust that these chicken wings have on it. You can just see how crispy these things are turning out. Yes, sir. And people say you can't cook a crispy chicken wing on a griddle. I beg to differ. Well, I just temped the chicken wings and they are done. So grab you up a bowl because we got to get these things off of the griddle. And man, that skin is just so crispy and just golden brown. Yes, sir. But guess what? We ain't done with these yet. Let's take them over here and finish them up. Come on. So now that these chicken wings are off the griddle, and man, I tell you what, they are looking good. Look how beautiful that is right there. It's perfect. They look amazing, but they're not done yet. Remember that buttery lemon pepper stuff we had? Let's go get it off the griddle real quick. I mean, look at there. It's melted down. Let's get it mixed up. And let's take it over here and pour it on top of these wings, y'all. Come on. So here's where it gets good. Pour it on these wings right here. Get all that sauce and that lemon pepper in there. And now, see if I can do I don't know, I call it the chef flip, I guess you call it, where you kind of coat all the wings. Not that good at it, so I'm just gonna stick my hand in there. How's that? There we go. Look at there, look at there. One more thing to do. And that's grab you a plate and let's plate them up. Look how beautiful these look, y'all. Man. Good crispy skin, that lemon pepper seasoning. Yes, sir. These are gonna be amazing. Couple more. You know something? We have all this sauce left, so let's go ahead and just pour that right on top. Get all that good lemon pepper out of there. Yes, sir. Looks good to me. But we still ain't done. Need this parsley. Remember this parsley we have? Just a light sprinkling over the top of them. And there you go. Wings are done, y'all. That simple. And look how amazing these turned out. Matter of fact, I think I'll show you these up close. Honestly, these are some of the best looking wings you could ever make right here. And we did them right on top of that Blackstone. And look at that crispy skin right there. All that lemon pepper seasoning on them. Yes, sir. We got to dig into these things. That looked good, didn't it? I mean, this skin is perfect. Quick question before I dig into one. Are you a flat or are you a drum person? Me personally, I don't care. Throw some chicken wings in front of me, I am happy. But being this one's real convenient, I'm going to grab this flat back here. So, that's so good. Oh, wow. Perfect crispiness on that skin. But that buttery lemon pepper, I really, really set it off. And look how easy this was to do, y'all. And I mean, you can see the crispiness of the skin. So you can do that on the Blackstone. Just use that cornstarch, a little light coating. That bacon grease really, really adds another level of flavor to it. And it's super simple to do. Now, also let me know, what's your favorite flavor of wing? Is it lemon pepper? Super simple to do. Or is it buffalo? Or who knows what it may be? Let me know down below. But right now, I'm going to take these in, let the family try them out. If they make it inside, I may eat them on the way. And we'll see you next time.